So Splosh provide concentrated refillable products. By using a refill, you're already cutting out 90% of plastic waste. You can then return your empty pouches to us, thus achieving 100% zero waste. We provide a really good selection of products. So we've got our laundry section, we've got our health and beauty section, and we've also got our cleaning products. You can use your own bottles from home and then have a look at our ratios, which are all online. The great thing about the Splosh products is that they're concentrates. This is great because we can pack a lot of product into one refill. You know, you're not transporting around unnecessary water, therefore you're reducing the CO2 emissions. Once that concentrated product is blended, they are boxed and put into the picking line, and then they go down the refills dispatch machine, and then Royal Mail collect those. And the refills, they are in small boxes, which is designed to fit through your letterbox. So any waste cardboard that we get, this is all shredded, and then we reuse that to pack the Splosh orders. So to date, we've actually, with our customers' help obviously, we've saved over 2 million bottles going from bins. It's a great incentive to our customers. The most important thing with Splosh is to return your used pouches. So we have never thrown a pouch away. Customers can return pouches to us free of charge. They can collect 20 or more and send them straight back to us. We've also recently launched in retail as well. I think we're in over 90 stores in the UK now. And in each store you will find a pouch returns box. So you can just post your empties back in there. We've got some great projects coming up with the pouch returns. So, you know, hopefully you'll hear about this later on in the year, about what we've achieved.